So what's going on, you guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to plasti-dip the inside of your box. And the reason for this is to help with the vibration, deadened sound. And so this is to help seal up the box a little bit better. This is just a cheap $5 can of plasti-dip. There are other options out there. But what I went ahead and did was I took my cable inside of here, I tied them together so they weren't touching any part of the subwoofer box. Here I've got some press and seal, and I've used this to protect the wire so I don't get any of the plasti-dip on there. But we're gonna go ahead and add a couple coats of this to help our sound. But first off, you wanna make sure your box is totally clean on the inside. You don't want any debris floating around when you're spraying this stuff in. And also be sure to cover your arms so that you don't get them covered in plasti-dip. Hold on, just hold on a moment, guys. All right. When you are doing this, you need to make sure that you've got gloves, that you've got your arms protected, your face protected, and you've got your eyes protected, because you don't want to be inhaling liquid rubber aerosol into your lungs. You want to be in an open, ventilated area, and even add on a fan if you can as well. So make sure when you're doing this, you got your grounds covered. Go ahead and finish, guys. What do you think? Let's do it. All right, awesome, guys. We totally got it done. I've got about 2 solid layers on the inside of this right now. It looks really good. So we're gonna leave this to dry. All right, guys, so we've been running the fan inside of here for about 28 hours now. And yeah, I mean, the majority of the smell is gone. I'd probably say like 95% of the aerosol smell is gone. But without the fan, without that fan being in there, that smell was not coming out of the box. I only used 2 cans, but you know, it's pretty good. It's in there. Looks good. We got the big boys in, the boys. And check it out. Got the LEDs hooked up. Got everything plugged in, looking good.